I approached building my YouTube channel Rookie Handyman differently from almost everyone else on YouTube. I was okay with being small for a long time, and that's something you almost never hear someone admits, especially once a channel starts working for you a little bit. But when I started my Rookie Handyman channel, I wasn't obsessed with fast growth. I wasn't chasing viral videos, and I wasn't measuring my progress by how many subscribers I had each month. What I care about was something else. I care about building something I could keep doing. That was the most important thing to me when I started my YouTube journey, because it's easy to get lost in this hype of posting 3 videos a week, every week, but doing that, you will burn out by the week number 3 and you will never come back to your channel. Trust me, I know it. I quit my Rookie Handyman channel three times before actually being monetized. Maybe I have quit it 4 times, who knows. But when people look at my channel today, they will see views, they will see growth, they will see some results. But what they don't see is how long I stayed small on purpose. I was learning, I was testing, I was figuring out what kind of creator I wanted to be. And most importantly, I was giving myself permission not to rush. Because I knew something early on. If I couldn't enjoy having a small YouTube channel and doing all the work around small YouTube channel, then common sense, I could not magically enjoy having a big YouTube channel and running everything around a big YouTube channel. Makes sense, right? And funny thing is, here's what I see happen to a lot of creators out there. They start their channel, they are excited about it, they are motivated, they are ready to conquer the world, and then they look around them for other creators who are in similar niches. They see other people growing faster. They see these big numbers, they see screenshots, people are posting their results, it's like exploding all over the place. And they hear these advices like, just post more, brother, or trust the grind, brother, you will gonna make it, brother. And suddenly, being a small feels like a problem, like a proof that you are behind, like something is wrong with you. But please, don't look at it that way. For me, being small is part of the plan. I didn't want YouTube to take over my life. I was building my Rookie Handyman channel around my life, around work, around family, around health, around everything that mattered to me. Now, that meant slower growth, yes. It meant fewer uploads, yes. It also meant saying no to a lot of things that looked good on a paper, but it also meant doing something that was sustainable for me. In moments when I was coming back to my channel after these quit periods, 3 or 4 of them, I would just say to myself, you just need to slow down and approach this in a smarter way. And little by little, that decision paid off. Small YouTube channel is not a failure. It's a great foundation to build something great. You get better feedback. You build stronger trust. You are not trapped by any expectations, and you can change direction of your channel without breaking anything. Now, I'm not against having a big channel on YouTube, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying stay small forever. I'm just saying give yourself permission to stay small until it makes sense to grow. Don't let YouTube pressure decide your pace. Don't let numbers decide your worth. Let your life decide what kind of channel you want to build. This mindset alone will be the reason you will avoid burning out. This, and one other thing that can help you tremendously, is having people around you who understand you, who are on the same path as you are, and just having someone in your corner who can guide you a little bit when you feel stuck. Check out the link below for Creators Forge community, because if you want to grow on YouTube, this is the right place for you. When you join community, you will get personalized feedback on your channel. You will enter a community of like-minded YouTube creators who actually publish on YouTube, and you will get support you need to achieve your YouTube goals. Click the link below and check out our Creators Forge community, and I hope I will see you in there. But if that's not for you, all good, no worries. I have a perfect video for you to watch next. Right here, you can see the most important thing, how to build trust on YouTube. We will go in depth on how to present yourself to people, how to show your experience, and how to make people trust you. So I highly recommend checking that out. I will see you in there. Cheers!